Hey there, I am Parth Doshi, exploring the field of RPA and sharing my learnings with you by making videos. So, this is the next video in the series of SQL integration using UiPath. So, let me give you a quick overview of what we are going to do in this data. So, many times when we build our workflow just for practice or for some other reason, we use Excel as our database, or we majorly have our data in our Excel file. So in this video, we are particularly going to see how you can take the complete Excel data and write it into your database. Now we are going to see different ways how we can do it and which is the most efficient way to do that. So let's get started. Now one thing, this is my SQL Server Management Studio. So this is the previously existing data. So what we are going to do is we are going to just delete all this data so that we have nothing and we can directly insert from UiPath. Okay. So now let's see the Excel file which we have with us that we want to pass the data to our SQL database. Okay. Yeah. So now as we can see in our Excel here in our database, we have employee ID, employee name, and email. Now, one thing to be noted over here is the column names you have over here in your database should be the same as here in your Excel file. So there is like an automatic mapping done over in this file with SQL. So this is the one thing. So we are going to put this complete data into our database. Now, what are the two ways to do it? So the first way can be like putting row by row data. So in that, what we can do is we can use insert statement. In that, we can store each of this value in a variable. So as you can see, this is the one way to do it, like store this in the variable and insert it one by one. But that is not the efficient way. Like it is very time consuming and it will like take a lot of time to store your data in the database. Now the other way to do is adding them at one go. So what we are going to do is we are going to bulk add the data in our database. Now how to do that? So first, to use the database activities, you need to install this package uipath.database.activities. After that, the first step which we are going to perform is we are going to store our Excel data. So we are going to store our Excel data in a data table. So as you can see over here, we are reading that file, storing it in data table. Now we have to connect our database. For that, we need to use connect activity of database. So if I search over here, database, you can see these are the activities. So you are using connect, configure the connection. So to see how we can configure the connection, you can check out the previous video of this playlist in which I have explained in detail. So you just need to click on connection wizard and then a connection wizard box will prompt and you need to fill in the details. So you need to select Microsoft SQL Server. Okay. Now here you need to type server name, the authentication and all that. Once you are done with that, you need to use the insert activity from here. So if you see, there are different activities. Now to insert, update or delete the data, we use execute non-query. If we want to extract some data or get the data in a data table from database, we use uipath.database activities. Now if we want to insert the data, then what we are going to do is we are going to use this insert activity. So in this, you can see I have to configure connection. So I'm passing the previously created variable. So you can create a connection variable which will be like constant throughout your database. So here I'm passing that, and you see there are two inputs. One is the data table that we want to pass. So this is which data table we want to write into our complete database, and here we need to specify the table name. So our table name is details, as you can see. So this is how you can add the data in bulk in your SQL database using UiPath. So this insert activity is of utmost importance when you want to add your data in bulk. After that, we are just going to disconnect our connection. Why disconnect? Because this is one of the best practices to be followed when we are working with database. So now let's see whether we are able to do that or not. So let me save and let's check again if we have any data. Execute. So you can see we have no data over here. Now this complete data we are going to write in that database. Save and run. So you can see the speed at which the data got inserted into the file. You see 7 seconds and we have complete data over here. So let's check our database, select, execute. You see all the data was completely added. Let's cross verify. So now you can see we have 4 rows with 4 IDs. Let's verify over here. 4 row with 4 IDs and we have the complete data. So this was how you can add your data in bulk in from the Excel file to an SQL database. So you see, I think within 10 minutes, we just learned completely how we can add the data in bulk to our SQL database. Hope you got a clear understanding about the same. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And make sure you check the channel every day at 7 p.m. to get new video on database. Thank you.